Hello there! Congratulations on your new pair of PENTAX loops. In this video, we will explain step by step how to set up your loops for optimal use. Let's get started. Inside the case, you will find your loops and matching attributes, a small screwdriver and an extra cord, a manual, an eyeglass cloth, a small nose pad, an Allen key, and a pupillometer. You can have your pupil distance measured for free at an optician just to be sure. Pupil distance. First, you can adjust the pupil distance of the PENTAX loops by loosening both screws on top of the magnifier. The small markings on the metal frame are for setting the correct pupil distance. The marks go from 52 to 77, 6 equals 60 and 7 equals 70. And the fine lines in between go 2 by 2, for example 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70. To adjust the pupil distance, only move the screws at the top. Do not hold on to the lenses themselves. Set the pupillary distance to 1 mm less than your actual pupillary distance. After setting the correct pupil distance, tighten the screws to secure the loops. Frame. To relieve the nose and distribute the weight of the loops between head and nose, the frame of the loops is placed on the forehead, just like a headband. Nose pad. You can adjust the nose pad as you wish. The nose pad should sit comfortably on the nose. Inclination. Everyone has their own inclination. You can adjust the inclination by loosening or fixing the top screw on the inclination bar using the Allen key. To adjust the inclination level, loosen the upper screw to loosen the inclination bar. Make sure the lenses are placed directly against the inclination bar. Find the right inclination by moving the grey inclination bar. When you've found the right slope, ask someone to tighten the top screw. Tightening the inclination bar will stop the bar from moving and fix it at the desired inclination. That way you always come back to the same inclination angle when you flip up the loops, your installed inclination angle. After this, height can be adjusted by loosening the large screw between the lenses. Always make sure the screw is tight before looking through the lenses. Otherwise, your lenses will be loose and your vision will be distorted and bad. Once everything is installed, you should see one nice circle. Working distance. You can also adjust the working distance on the loops. The working distance determines the area where your vision is sharp. The range of the working distance is set between 28 centimeters and 75 centimeters. Most dentists and surgeons work with their arms at a 90-degree angle. The loops have a depth screen of 8 to 10 centimeters. The loops contain 2 rings, one of which serves to adjust the working distance. The small ring serves exclusively to fix the first ring, so that the working distance remains the same. To lengthen your working distance, turn one hole round inward, closer to your eyes left. To shorten your working distance, turn one hole round outwards, further away from your eyes right. Turn until you see clear through the loops. It is important to turn several whole rounds to see the difference in working distance. Turn as many times as necessary to adjust the working distance perfectly, meaning you can see clearly through the lenses. Wearing your own glasses underneath the loops. Change the nose pad to wear your own glasses under the PENTAX loops. You do this by unscrewing the 2 screws of the existing nose pad with the red screwdriver found in the box. Remove the large nose pad and replace it with the smaller nose pad that you will also find in the box with 2 additional screws. How do you wear the loops with your glasses underneath? Put your own glasses a little down on your nose so you can easily install the PENTAX loops. After installing the PENTAX loops and tightening them with the string at the back, you can reposition your own glasses normally. Your glasses sit in front of the small nose pad. The small nose pad does not rest on your own glasses frame, but all the way up your nose. Lower the loops in front of your glasses. When installing, make sure you lower the height of the lenses nicely in front of your eyes. Because the small nose pad sits higher than the normal nose pad, we need to lower the loops more than normal. Install the light. Attach the LED light with battery in front of the loops. Click the electric wire into the light and secure the wire with the plastic tube. Then click the wire into the battery and turn on the light. You can adjust the intensity by turning the knob. If you have the wireless LED light with the smaller battery, the battery is placed at the top of the lamp with a magnet. This LED lamp is for dentists only. Click the button to turn on the light. Click several times for different intensities and to turn off the light.